Evolution Security is a market-leading security company located on the central coast of New South Wales with national operational capability. They've developed highly successful strategies to meet the stringent demands of working in diverse and complex environments. Part of their progressive approach has been to utilise cutting-edge technology to streamline administration and compliance.
Good afternoon, Evolution Security, Leanne speaking.
In 2015, they became part of a collaborative initiative with Securecy to develop a complete end-to-end administration platform.
Our administration was very labour intensive and extremely time consuming. All of our rosters were all done on multiple spreadsheets. Our sign-in registers and our incident reports were all handwritten, which meant that we had to collect these on a weekly basis from multiple locations all across the Central Coast. So in total, I think there was about 25 locations. So as you can imagine, a very big process for us to do.
It isn't just day-to-day administration that's improved. Compliance has become much easier with Securecy.
We take our compliance very seriously and we work really closely with the team at Securecy to just make sure our compliance is part of our everyday workflow. We used to have to check our security licences every week manually, and it used to take a huge amount of time. Now it's fully automated and it just saves us all that time and hassle every week. The great thing we find is when we need to send anything to the authorities, it's very easy, searchable, and we can just send it straight over to them, which the authorities love.
Inductions and ongoing professional development are also very important to Evolution Security and are part of KPIs for blue chip clients.
With Securecy, we're now able to have guards read and acknowledge SOPs before they accept a shift at any given location. It really helps our guards be better informed about the tasks and provides tangible proof that our guards have been provided with the necessary knowledge to perform their duties. We can also give our managers quick, easy access to all of our training and development documents. In fact, all of our documents are now stored on Securecy, which is really helpful.
Securecy was developed in collaboration with 3 different security companies over a 2-year period. After exhaustive, real-life field testing, Securecy is now available to security companies all over Australia. For more information and to book a no-obligation demonstration, visit securecy.com.au.